completely out of control.
Come on. He's not going to do it. Bollocks. I need a tow.
Beginning of something new, but anal gearbox, anal design, anal open range, anal cougar.
Anal sprinter.
That's what you do.
James. What we've done, don't do that. What we've done, James, is we've accidentally camped on a road.
Yeah.
What is it? He's just having one in him. What does it say? What?
Oh, there's a... James, that's really cool. Stop it, it's really... The people who run the place will be here. They'll be bloody hurt.
Oh. What the bloody hell is that?
Oh, good Lord.
Well, we know what it is because we've got the helpful symbol on the wall. You really broken your arm?
Which arm have you broken?
James!
He's breathing.
That's it, come on.
Come on.
Whose idea was this, Tess? It's a bloody stupid idea.
It's a very
Who
good
was it?
idea.
It's a
We've
brilliant
learned about
idea.
your car.
Oh, is that James? No way! Plot 200, James, it's all yours. Where's the...
I claim a moral victory.
Why a moral victory?
I've still got a caravan.
Well, not really. You haven't got a wheel. Where's the wheel
Well, what's that?
And it's like that, isn't it?
I can't believe you seem to look like someone who'd done it. You've got dressed up in that outfit to do that.